Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make fennel seed tea, which is very healthy, good for digestion and very good during winter season. So here, make sure you have clean fennel seeds. So I'm going to take it in a cup. I'm taking here 1 spoon, but initially you can start with a smaller amount, like half a teaspoon. Add hot water to it. This hot water will help fennel seed release all the flavors in the water, and let it sit for about 10 minutes because it's boiling hot anyway, you cannot have it, and this will help give the fennel seed time to release all the flavors. And this water will slightly change the color, and your tea is ready, and it's very refreshing. And the fennel seeds which are there, we don't have to throw them out because they become soft and you can eat them up. I like to chew on them, and fennel seeds I use as a mouth freshener also. And I usually add one more batch of water after finishing this, so you can try this. It's really good in winter season, very good if you have cough and cold. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.